In this video, I will introduce you to the if statement. In this scenario, we want to give a 5% bonus to any salesperson that earns a sales that is more than 80,000. You click second cell, cell D2. Then you start by typing in equal to. Then we start our if, open bracket. The sales in C2 is greater than 80,000, then multiply the sales by 0.055%. Otherwise, multiply C2 the sales by 0, then close bracket, enter. So in the first instance, because the sales is not up to 80,000, so the salesperson doesn't have a bonus. So we can now drag the formula out to the last salesperson on the data sheet. You can see in row 5, Henry Adams has got a bonus of 5%. And this is how to use a simple if statement. Thank you for watching. For more videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.